how I do this. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this.
Katie, are you okay? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! They're so close! Ah! Oh my God, they're coming for us! Ah! What? They're so close! Why are we laughing? Oh my God, they're so amusing. Oh gosh, it's so high. Something fell on me. Something fell on me. Here it comes. Ah! Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh God. Ah! They're going to fall on us. Ah! Oh, they're smelly. Oh gosh. The other ones were better. Where did they go? Woo! Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Katie. Here it comes! Ah! Are you... It's so close! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy boy! Come on! Oh my God! They are so close! I feel like they're gonna fall on me. They're gonna start a fire. Lisa, cover me up! They're gonna fall on us. Oh my goodness! There's gonna be a fire. Run! Down on the ground. Oh my God! These ones are so loud. Oh gosh. Okay. We can rap to this, guys. Boom. Get down with your bad self. Or gangster self. Oh, so smelly. Oh my God, you should so rap to this.
I know, right?
Woo! Smoke. Fire. Ah! Woo! Okay, this is the finale. Okay. No! Go! Finale. Light it.
Okay, go!
Right where that light is, you see? She's about... Sarah, Katie's on... Oh, it's lit! It's lit! I'm laying down. Oh my gosh. Here it comes. Oh God. It's not me, Kayla. What is it? Okay, that was just one.
Really cool. That was awesome.
Oh my God. Where's the finale?
Mom, where is it?
Is it a dud?
I think we got a dud.
Oh my goodness! We got a dud.
Okay, well, no one go near it.
I am furious.
I can show you how to do this, son. See, I be counting hundreds, you be counting one. And if you can't see me, better put on some glasses and watch what I do when I stun on their asses. Ice chains on my wrist, diamonds all in my chain. That's what we can do for. Watch a nigga do his thing. Let me show you some. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this.